Welcome. I'm Sweet Heavenly Dove, and I have a fabulous Dollar Tree haul for you to enjoy. Let's get started. First up, we have these wonderful 4th of July items for you to enjoy. We have this, what is it called? A Thunder Sticks. I'm not quite sure what they're used for. If you know, put it down in the comment down section down below. All these wonderful and gorgeous, gorgeous items. We have plates, napkins, wall decor, America the Beautiful, family fireworks freedom, just more decor, the red, white, and blue. The gnomes, of course, they always have gnomes, whatever season it is. And then more party picnic items for like the 4th of July party or even Memorial Day. Some people have parties for Memorial Day weekend because it is a 3-day weekend. They have cups. Look at these. This reminds me of Vegas, or some people maybe Disneyland or Magic Mountain, but kind of reminds me of Vegas. This is absolutely too adorable. This is an ice cream set, like the baseball cap. Kind of remind me of the helmet that you put on when you're batting, and it has like 3 spoons. It comes in red, white, and blue. So you can buy 3 of them, have you one of each color if you want to, and more decorations. Fabulous. Do I see fans? Do I see fans? Is that boots on the ground? Where those fans at? Right, right. If you know, you know, right? If you know, let me know in the comment section down below. More decor, decorations, land of the free. Let's see. And we have more table items, the paper trays, tablecloths, more decor, sparkling flags, absolutely gorgeous. Fans, these are the foldable ones. They're kind of the cheaper ones, so you might want to get the regular ones. And it's more decors and the champagne poppers. Oops. Makeup Glamboozle, is that what it's called? This is a liquid makeup, liquid lipstick, eyeshadow stick. You can pause it to look at it more closely. Blush stick, glow mist, different makeup items for you to enjoy. Next up, more Lunar Zodiac Golden Beauty, and it has like lip oil and all these different items, eyeshadow, and I have this gorgeous like red and yellow color. So just take a pause for you to enjoy these wonderful makeup items that Dollar Tree has to offer you. We have the infamous hand sanitizer, the 2 cents, hibiscus, and coconut lime with the matching sanitized case. And I was surprised to find this many, and it had a few more. Can you believe it? I'm so surprised. Well, this is extra new to me by Personal Care, and it is hair and body mist, 3 cents, Thai coconut, Moroccan jasmine, and I'm about to say vanilla, French rose. And it's like 6.1 fluid ounces. If you try these items, let me know in the comment section. Or if you want to try these items, let me know. I need comments. I need to know what you're thinking. We have 3 new conditioners. We have the organic apple cider vinegar, smooths and adds shines for all hair type, lightweight conditioner, 8 ounces. And then we have 2 more. One and only argan oil, Color Oasis smoothing conditioner. And this one is 12 ounces. Can you believe it? And then finally, we have Jerry Redding, sorry. Argan oil, Moroccan argan trees, moisture repair conditioner. So Dollar Tree has 3 new conditioners. New item by Abigail's Kitchen is a churro baking mix. Easy to prepare, delightfully sweet, and you can make it in a deep fryer or an air fryer. Wow, I did purchase this, so I will be trying it sooner or later. What about you? Would you try it or would you buy it? We have Monster, Java Monster, French Vanilla, triple shot. Can you believe it? Triple shot of coffee. So if you want a triple shot of coffee and you like the Monster brand because they have so many different flavors, you see the splash over to the side? I should have checked that out, but sorry I didn't. And then we have this adobo seasoning. This one has with pepper, and it's a nice sample size to see if you like it. I like Dollar Tree. It has sometimes the smaller ones. You can just try it out to see if you like it. If you don't have to buy a big one. But if you do, you can invest in a bigger one. It's a great way to try things out. Let's see. Yes, now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. I will be showing you maybe one, two, or three or four dollar plus items. Enjoy! Our last item, we have this pineapple inflatable buffet cooler. It is 62 by 24 inches, come in two different colors. This yellow and pink. Great for celebrations, parties. Great, great, great. Well, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. I want to see comments. Like I always say, be blessed. Until next time.